Hello everyone, welcome to KP classes. Welcome back to our geography lecture series in which we are going to revise entire Indian geography for your examination. Today's topic is natural vegetation. So let's discuss what actually is natural vegetation. So it means the plant community of plants. So as you know, community is the group of people who come together. Okay, so when plants, they are grown together and they has grown naturally without any human intervention for a longer period of time. So it is no human intervention. So they depend naturally on the rainfall, sunlight, etc. So there is no human intervention for the longer period of time, and it is left undisturbed, and it is known as virgin vegetation or natural vegetation because it is untouched by any human. So it is of two types. Number one is endemic, which has the origin within the country, and exotic, which has originated outside but it has introduced in your own country. So it is exotic. Then let's talk about what is ecosystem. When various species of plants, they have similar climatic condition, to large extent its nature determines the animal life. So it is only because of the plants the weather is determined, and then the human habitation, the animal habitation determines. So all the plants and animals in an area, they are interdependent on each other, and this interdependence is known as none other than ecosystem, the relationship basically. Relationship. Thus, it is a biological environment consisting of all the organisms, living plants, and it is basically the biosphere in which the interaction is done between the physical environment and the organisms. So that relationship is known as ecosystem. Now let's see types of vegetation. Number one is tropical evergreen forest, which are also known as rainforest, maximum rainfall, and it is very green. Covered about 12% of India. They are found in areas of high rainfall over 200 centimeters. Now let's see areas: Western Ghats, Lakshadweep Island, Andaman Islands, then some parts of Tamil Nadu, some parts of Assam, and some parts of Orissa. Okay, so this you have to remember for your MCQ. Then all these areas are warm and wet, hot and humid. They have abundant vegetation, tall trees, creepers and bushes. These are multi-layered and they appear green throughout the year. So if we see it from the satellite, they appear to be extremely very green in color because of maximum rainfall, and these are very wet. Then plants. What are the plants? Ebony, mahogany, rubber, rosewood. Then animals: rhinos, elephants, monkeys, lemur, deer, bats, scorpions, snails, and sloth bear. These are the plants, flora and fauna. This you have to remember. Flora and fauna. Then second category after tropical evergreen is the tropical deciduous. Maximum portion of India's forested area is covered under this. These are also called the monsoon forest, spread over the region of rainfall between 200 and 70, and they shed their leaves. The only USP of these shed their leaves during dry summer for approximately about 2 months. So types of tropical, these are number one, moist deciduous forest, and cover 34% of the country's area. Then comes thorns and the scrubs, 5% of the total forest, less than 70. So it is 200, between 70 and 200, and less than 70. Then region of occurrence: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, MP. When we take a trip, though the weather is very dry, the plants here are very bushy and very thorny. So the trees found in tropical thorn forests and scrubs, they are very scattered. Other such plants, they have long roots, stems, small thick leaves are also found here. Flora and fauna: acacia, palm, euphorbia, cactus, Then fox, wolf, rat, mice, wild ass, horse, lion, tiger and camels are found in these areas. The next category is the mountain forest. Mountain forest covers about the 17% of the total forested area, and these are found in the mountainous regions, as you see it from the name. And where the mountains are found: Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal, J&K. Vegetation changes with increase in altitude. So, as increase in height, the vegetation changes. There are less number of plants and animals. And the last category is the mangrove forest, which are also known as a tidal forest. These are basically, mangroves are inverted forests. These are submerged under the water, and these are found in the areas of the river and delta like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, due to mud and silt brought down by the rivers. So, Sundari trees are there, palm trees, coconut, kiora and agar. Then animals, tigers, snakes, turtles, gharial and crocodile are found. Maximum the Sundarban mangroves is the very famous Sundarban mangrove forest. So, this was all about the natural vegetation, the briefing about the natural vegetation. So, thank you everyone. I'll see you in the next class.